Orange and Mint Detox Water. Hey, detox seekers, ready to give your water a refreshing upgrade? I've got the perfect recipe for you. Orange and Mint Detox Water. It's super easy to make and packed with benefits. All you need is 1 orange, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and a pitcher of water. Slice the orange, gently crush the mint to release its oils, and toss them into the water. Let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour to infuse. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, boosting your immune system and giving your skin a healthy glow. Mint aids digestion and freshens your breath. Plus, staying hydrated is key for overall wellness. Sip on this delicious detox water throughout the day to feel refreshed and revitalized. It's a simple way to support your body's natural cleansing process. Cheers to your health. Orange and Mint Detox Water. Refreshing, hydrating, and good for digestion. Ingredients: 1 orange sliced, a handful of fresh mint, 1 liter of water. Instructions: infuse overnight in the fridge and drink throughout the day.